You can view older Street View images in Google Maps on both your iPhone and the web. On your iPhone, open the Google Maps app. First, enable Street View from the Map the Details section so you can access Street View locations. Tap the Layers button. Then under Map Details, select Street View. Close the menu and search for the location you want to explore. When you see the Street View preview in the bottom left corner, tap it to enter Street View. Once you're in Street View, tap the date label at the bottom of the screen. If historical imagery is available, you'll see older Street View dates for that location. Select any available date to view older Street View images. As you can see here, this location has imagery from December 2007. Now, let's check it on the desktop version. Go to maps.google.com in your web browser. To enter Street View, drag the pegment icon onto any road highlighted in blue. Or search for a location first, then drag the pegment onto the blue highlighted streets to open Street View. If historical Street View is available, you'll see a date in the top left corner. Click See More Dates to view older Street View images. Select any available year to see how the location looked in the past. That's the easiest way to view old Google Maps Street View images on both your phone and your computer. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos.